meantime, President of the Ghana Day Organizing Committee, Penda Ghanaian, is eagerly looking forward to the historic two-day state visit of the Ghanaian President, Nana Akufo-Addo.
News that the sitting president of Ghana will be visiting Guyana struck a chord with President of the Ghana Day Organizing Committee, Penda Ghanaian.
I am just elated. I am excited. We don't know what to do. We cannot contain ourselves. I mean, the Ghana Day organization is we're just besides ourselves with joy.
The committee has been organizing Ghana Day celebrations for years. For the committee, this visit is a momentous one and validates the work it has done to maintain ancestral connections over these decades.
We have been trying to get the President of Ghana here and other officials during the previous administration, and we were told that they didn't see what benefit it would be to the country. So now that he's coming, we are just, we're bursting.
Ghanaian noted that there is great similarity between Ghana and Guyana, while highlighting the influences that the two cultures have on each other. In his Ghana Day message in 2017, Prime Minister Moses Nagamutu spoke of the importance of Pan-Africanism and the influence Ghana had on Guyana.
Ghana influenced Guyana. The West Indian leaders influenced Ghana. And so when we are talking about Pan-Africanism, it is not the Pan-Africanism where Nkrumah saw all Africans as being alike. Nkrumah felt that Africa ought to have a model of development that would be a showcase for the world.
The Ghanaian head of state will be arriving in Guyana on Monday night for a two-day visit. He's expected to meet and interact with the Ghana diaspora and local African organizations. Reporting for InfoHub, Nikosi Bruce.